Hello everyone, myself Vijay Lakra, Assistant Professor, Management Department, Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. My today's topic is distribution management. Definition of distribution, meaning of distribution, objectives of distribution management, and the last one is element of handling distribution. Now, start with the management. What is management? Management as a function includes the sub-functions of planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating, controlling, budgeting, reviewing, etc. Management is also viewed as a process of motivating others to work and of influencing others or of exercising authority over others in order to achieve the given objectives. Now, the definition of distribution management: the management of the efficient transfer of goods from the place of manufacture to the point of sale or consumption. Distribution management encompasses such activities as warehousing, material handling, packaging, stock control, order processing, and transportation. Now, meaning of distribution. Distribution system can be defined as the sequential flow of procedures, system, and activities which are designed and linked to facilitate and monitor the movement of goods and services from the source to the consumer. Essentially, distribution is about making products and services available to the end users when and where they need them. Oftentimes, you might hear the term channel of distribution or a marketing channel in referring to distribution system. These two terms are related to a group of organization or individual who have an impact on the flow of product and services from the source of production to the end user. Distribution system refers to making product and services available to customer base when they are in need and where they can be used. Now, the objectives of distribution management: first is movement of goods. The main objective of distribution is to make flow of goods from production place to consumption place. For this, the role of distribution channel and its members become very important. Now, the next is availability of goods. The effective or the objective of distribution functions is to make or supply necessary goods to the large masses of customer living in different geographical areas. Next is protection of goods. The objective of distribution is also to properly storing, handling, and protecting the goods and supplying them to the consumers in a good condition. Next is cost reduction. The objective of distribution is also to reduce the cost of product by bringing effectiveness in distribution process. And the next is customer satisfaction. The other objective of distribution function is to help customer feel satisfied through effective distribution. Now, the elements of handling distribution. First is material handling. It involves moving product in and out of stock. It consists of routine tasks that can be performed through mechanization and standardization. Efficiency is increased through use of electronic data processing to control conveyor system, order picking, and other traffic flows. Now, the next is inventory planning and control. Inventory refers to the stock of products a firm has on hand and ready for the sale to customer. Inventories are kept to meet market demands promptly. Inventory is the link interconnected the customer's order and the company's production activity. The entire physical management distribution management rotates around the inventory management. Inventory management is the heart of the game of physical distribution. Marketing management manager undertakes an inventory planning to develop adequate assortment of product for the target market and also try to control the cost involved in obtaining and maintaining inventory. Next is order processing. Order processing and inventory control are related to each other. Order processing is considered as the key to customer service and satisfaction. It includes receiving, recording, fulfilling, assembling of product and dispatched. the amount of the time required from the date of receipt of an order up to the date of dispatch of goods must be reasonable and as short as possible. It comprises in undertaking the process that are needed to make certain orders processed quickly, accurately and efficiently. The marketing manager has to decide about these along with such issue as what the most efficient way to bill customer, how can the paperwork may be minimized, and how can the physical function of assembling orders more efficiently. Next is transportation. It is an essential element of physical distribution. It involves integration the advantages of each transport methods by adopting containers and physical handling product to the permit transfer among different types of carriers. For example, to place container in railway flat cars and then load the container on motor vehicle is called piggyback. Now the next is the container are offloaded to water carriers. It is called flashback. And the last is exchange of container between air and the truck carrier are referred as air truck or bird back. Now the marketing manager has to decide that what mode or combination of modes of transportation such as rail, truck, pipeline, waterways, airways, etc. should be used to transport product to warehouse and from there to consume customers. Should the transportation cost be reduced and the desired level of customer service still maintained? Next is communication. It is a process of passing information and undertaking system which should link producer, intermediaries and customer. Computers, memory system, display equipment and other communication technologies facilitate the flow of information among other members in a channel. A manager to be successful must develop an efficient system of communication so that he may issue instructions, receive the reactions of the subordinates and guide and motivate them. Now the elements now next element is organizational structure. The person in charge of physical distribution should coordinate all activities into an effective system to provide the desired customer service in the most efficient manner. Example of organizational structure are hierarchical structure, matrix structure, horizontal and flat structure, network structure, divisional structure, line organizational structure, team based organizational structure. This is all about distribution management. Thank you. Thank you so much.